In this lecture, we are going to discuss about a theoretical discussion or global infrastructure. Like we are going to discuss about region and availability zones, the basic information we are going to cover here. So these are global infrastructure. These are the data centers, and within the inside the data center, huge servers infrastructure. So AWS infrastructure refers the worldwide network of the data centers, worldwide networks of the data centers and edge locations owned by AWS. So data centers and edge locations and availability zones. A cloud computing service is provided by Amazon. AWS is provided by, this entire structure is provided by Amazon. AWS global infrastructure refers to the extensive network of data centers and regions established by AWS across the world. It is designed to provide scalable and reliable and secure cloud computing services to customers and various geographical locations. So I want to go with this AWS global infrastructure. 31 regions till now it launched, and 99 availability zones, 450 plus points preferences, and 400 edge locations. So here the list view, just observe every information, like Mumbai location, 3 availability zones and 2 local zones. So Malaysia and Thailand coming soon. Regions like a 2022, right? Different areas, South America, right? So these are regions. Initially 2011 it starts. So data centers, these regions are nothing but a data centers region. These are data centers. AWS operates multiple data centers located in different geographical region globally. These data center house physically infrastructure including servers and storage and network equipment and other resources required to run AWS services. This entire one region. Within that there is availability zone. So you may ask, if in case one data center will be collapsed and hacked, lost, fired, that situation, each and every region is interconnected. There is a very 99.999999% we never lost our data. So geographical regions, AWS divided the world into separate geographical regions. Each region contains multiple availability zones, which are essential isolated data center within the regions. Till now, 39 launched regions, 99 availability zones, and 400 plus edge location. These are 33 local zones and 245 countries and territories served, 115 direct connected locations. This is official information. So what is meant by this availability zones? Availability zone is a distinct data center within a AWS region. Each availability zone is also isolated from other and is designed to be independent failure in other zones. Availability zones are connected through high speed and low latency and networking. And what about the edge locations? In addition to data center and availability zones, there is AWS also maintains a network of edge locations. These edge locations are similar scale data centers strategically located in major cities around the world. Edge locations are primarily used for content delivery and caching, allowing user to access content with low latency and high transfer speeds. Edge locations are also used for other services like Lambda and Amazon CloudFront and global network. AWS has A highly interconnected global network that provides a reliable and secure connectivity between its data center, availability zone, and edge location. And what are the basic benefits of this one? High availability, and with the global infrastructure, we get high availability and scalability, low latency, and global reach. So don't think these are theoretical information. The practically we learn each and every service in further classes.